In this video, I'll show you how to hide your Instagram account so you can keep it private. If this helps you, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like so others can find it. The first thing you need to do is to open the Instagram app on your phone, then go ahead and click on the three lines that you're going to see at the top right. Once you're inside Settings and Privacy, go ahead and scroll down and select Account Privacy. Now you will tap on Private Account, and this will automatically switch your account to private, meaning that only your followers will be able to see your content. If you want to hide your Instagram account from specific people, there are also two things that you can do. You can either block them or restrict their account. To do that, simply go to the person's page, and what you're going to do is tap on the three dots that you're going to see at the top, and here you are going to have the two options. You can restrict their account. This means that they won't see when you're online or when you have read their messages. And this will limit their account from many actions. But if you want to fully block them and hide your account, just go ahead and select Block. When you block someone from Instagram, they will no longer be able to see your profile or any of your content. And as you can see, I just blocked this account. And that's it. Hope that helps.